We have with us Mr. Jayanta Prabhu, Group CIO, SR Group. So, Mr. Jayanta, had you ever thought of availing complete managed services for the organization?
See, in SR, if you see, the SR is a 39 billion organization today with around 75,000 employees. They're present in 25 countries, and lot of M&A kind of activities are happening. And one of the focus area for SR today is the digital initiatives like SMAC. And when we are talking about SMAC, business is going in a dynamic way. Means they are not ready to wait for any solution for weeks or months time. And looking at all those requirement which is coming from business and business transformation, what we wanted to do through IT, and it's very important to rely on some third party for managed services. And we are moving towards that. And means one day we will want to see that SR is a completely managed service IT to partners like ESDS.
Great. So, what do you think about security in cloud?
Security is a major concern. Whenever I meet my friends, colleagues in a CIO community, and when I'm talking to business people also, security they're showing is a concern today. And there are multiple things. It is not only moving the data there. If we want to exist from any data cloud service provider today, what will happen to my data? How they are going to destroy my data? All those things are very important. And now cloud standard and everything it is coming, and people are getting matured. And you can do multiple encryption when you are keeping the data in cloud environment. And there are technologies are available. And by using that, we can secure our data in cloud environment. In particularly ESDS case, we are planning to move some of the critical data in coming days.
What are the standards that you're looking for or expecting in cloud?
See, in every industry, if you want to follow a process, standard is a must. And today in cloud particularly, people are working toward to make these standards, and people are need to rely on organizations like NASSCOM and multiple CIO communities for put a standard for cloud. And once standard is there, then we can confidently go to business, and we can convince them to move all the critical data on cloud. Since that standard is not there, different cloud service provider offering different services, which is confusing, and business people are not getting confidence here.
Could you please share your observation and difference between earlier infrastructure and ESDS's Enlight Cloud?
If you see the, we have moved to cloud, we have started our cloud journey 3 years back when we have moved to our HR related data to SuccessFactors, and we are working with multiple service providers like Amazon and other service providers in industry. And we came to know ESDS service around 8 months back. And it is a unique service. It is a pay per use kind of model, and there is a lot of cost saving with the same kind of services what we are getting. And once we came to know that, we have done a pilot, and we moved 2 applications today in ESDS data center, and we are planning to go with a big bang approach in coming days.
So, how is cloud benefiting your business in terms of ROI?
It is a multiple, cloud brings multiple benefits. Means pay per use kind of options you are getting. There is no capex investment required, and that rollout time for any solution you can reduce from months to days, and multiple benefits we are getting. And we are aware that there is a benefit on cloud, and that is the reason in today's initiative, whatever we are driving internally and business, cloud is one of the important one.
Would you have any suggestions for ESDS and its services?
One of the suggestion what I'm giving it to ESDS is that bringing a standardization and convincing all the organization like NASSCOM, CIO organization to build a standard today, means which will give a confidence to CIO community and business people to push all the confidential data and critical data on cloud, so that ESDS can sell their offering more in industry. And second suggestion from my is that industry specific offerings. Today there are a lot of compliance it is coming on market and a lot of security requirement for each industry. Like manufacturing, there is a different set of compliances there. Financial industry and telco industry, there is different compliance required. And if you can sell it is a offerings to individual industry sectors, then there is a better option for selling this cloud solution to individual industries.